What's going on? We are back. We are at Universal Studios this week. We have some things to do. Aunt has never been on the studio tour. I have not done it in a while. I've never done the Simpsons ride. So we're doing a few first things this week. And I'm just excited to be back. I'm back for that toffee cake from Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
Yes, we are.
It's a cute day here. Let's go. I'm like starving. I did not eat breakfast. So I think before we do anything, I need a snack, a meal, a chicken tender, something. Oh my gosh, Miss Marilyn. Oh, you should have bought your pop figure.
Oh, I love
Hello.
You're
Look
amazing.
at a star.
Just so you know, I have a pop figure of you in my room because I feel like you remind me to be beautiful every single day.
And you should, because you are inside and outside.
Oh my god!
Oh.
It's so special.
Bye, thank you. Honestly, dream job. Just sit there and be pretty all day.
How do I get to be Marilyn Monroe in the park? I think I would look so good as Marilyn.
Oh my god.
Seriously.
I'm inserting a Photoshop right here. You guys, I think the Kung Fu Panda adventure is open. You guys are doing tech rehearsals? You wanna go?
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you guys so much. I get it. All right, so this line looks pretty long, but again, social distancing. But this is also an attraction I've never done. So this is a cute day of Universal first for us.
I can't stop the feeling.
Are you triggered by this song?
Yes.
Guys, we had to sing this song once at a theme park and it was...
If you guys can find the video on the internet somewhere and tag us in it, you will win something.
This is my channel, what they gonna win?
You're gonna win something.
Universal be playing bops, I will say.
I feel like I'm on the wrong beat.
Come on, Poppy, you better sing. Yeah. Why does Donkey have such long eyelashes? Look at his eyelashes. Oh, our queen. Low-key, the line was a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be. But here we go. Okay guys, so a lot of attractions with pre-show rooms like this have not been happening due to social distancing in theme parks. At least like Disneyland's not doing a lot of them. But what they do is they put markers on the ground to put you in like a pod. And then they space the markers out and the groups out by 6 feet. So that way you can stand in a big room and still be socially distant. But it makes for a very long wait time.
I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
How about if you guys thumbs back up? You're serious. This is gonna be great! Meet my side.
Party up too? Right this way. I'll have you go to the first row. You guys can take any seat.
Thank you. First row, any seat.
Yay!
Where should we sit? Where should we sit?
Where shall we sit?
Hey everybody, are you ready to go? Okay guys, fill her up! Oh, Dad, let me help you. Oh, you're such a good son. Oh, hey you there, Mr. Butterfingers. Be careful with that. This is the dreaded K territory. Did you hear that, guys? Shh! How do you get the big hammer? Oh, I almost forgot. Bye, guys.
All right, now, time for food.
Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso.
This is long. All right, the chicken and waffle sandwich from... Oh my god, what is it called? Cletus? Cletus?
All I know is this has some chipotle mayo on. Oh, now it's on my hands. It's on my hand.
Eat, 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 eat. Say less. All right, chicken and waffle sandwich. I don't know how to approach this.
Your hands are gonna get a little messy, so you just need to commit.
Well, there's like a maple aioli sauce on it. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Hold on, the first bite needs to be everything.
Ah, that's a crispy waffle.
I have some notes. The waffle is a little like... No, the chicken's good, the aioli's good.
That waffle is a shell, girl.
There's like maple syrup in the waffle. A McGriddle, I would die right now.
Oh my god.
There we go. The middle's soft. There's really not a single napkin in sight. Why did we do this? All right, an outfit change means it's time for another Universal first. We are heading on in to Hogsmeade for Flight of the Hippogriff. I've never done it, which is surprising because I'm a Harry Potter nerd. I need that toffee cake from 3 Broomsticks. We're coming back for it. It was so good at Taste of Universal. If you've had it, comment below. Let me know what you think of it because it's one of my favorite things.
I know you liked it. You don't even have to tell us, but I just want you to remind me.
Thank you. My hand sanitizer. We gon' ride some hippogriffs. We gon' ride some hippogriffs. Riding on the hippogriff. I don't know if you guys have ever been in the bathrooms at Universal Studios, but when you go in the bathrooms in Harry Potter World, you might see a special friend. Wait, like that sounds weird. Okay, so like Moaning Myrtle is in the bathroom and she talks to you. The girls' lavatory.
The girls' laboratory.
Like it's a little invasive, but literally while you're in the bathroom, she's just in there talking
Having
to you.
a full-blown conversation with you.
What is it time for?
Toffee cake!
Woo! Victory screech! Thank you so much. It's happening. It's happening. All right, here we go. Oh my god, it's so gooey.
I know.
I don't know if you guys can. Does that do anything when like people do that? I don't think it does anything.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You guys got other people with you or just...
No, it's just the 2 of us. Thank you so much.
You're awesome, dude. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. He just gave us free...
So we have to go up and
Oh,
around.
yeah, we have to go around.
This man just gave us express passes just to get on the studio tour, and it's like a 100-minute wait right now. So we're about to bypass.
We're about to walk right on VIP.
Look at this view. Look at the castle. Let's go. It wouldn't be a trip to Universal without escalators.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Express. On the express, well, this express line for the studio tour. So that's the line. And because he gave us our studio pass, this is our line. Vlogception, vlogception, vlogception.
Wish it was 5 or 6 hours. You're going to be having so much fun out there.
We're in the back.
You heard me mention that this is the world-famous Universal Studios tour.
You've got the very best guy.
Insert name here.
And the greatest driver.
Jesse.
They're the best. I love them. Even though
Insert name
it's
here.
only $5.
We've all had great relationships with Universal, but you can't talk about great directors at Universal and not mention Mr. Peter Jackson.
Original King Kong that made me want to direct movies.
Alright, glasses on, everybody. We are back on Skull Island.
Incredible.
Oh man, the product!
Was presented on high-definition 3D digital screens that stand more than 40 feet tall and more than 180 feet in length. Utilizing some of the most advanced technology that's available in filmmaking today. Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds, the 2005 version of that story with Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning. The plane that you see was at one time an honest-to-goodness, fully functional 747 that was destroyed and brought here to the Universal Lot just for the making of this amazing thing.
What? Where is it? Excuse me,
I
sir.
actually had some
Come on out,
time off over
please.
the last year, surprisingly enough. Lady Gaga filmed a music video for the song Judas. She's sitting on rocks over there wearing a big elaborate Gaga-style dress that swept away by the water as it came rushing down the hill. And she did that herself. There was no stunt double involved. Somebody said it was wrong. It's nothing to worry about. Just stay in.
Oh, I love the studio tour. What was your favorite part?
The water. All the water.
Which one? There's a lot. There's a lot of water.
Like, I feel like when they flooded the street in the area where they did Big Fat Liar and Judas, that was dope.
Big Fat Liar. What a movie.
Right? What a throwback. What do I do with these
What was
glasses?
my favorite part, you ask? Well, my favorite part is the subway, when you're in the subway during the earthquake.
Oh yeah, that was pretty
That's
sick.
so sick.
That's pretty dope.
Ooh. It's time for the Simpsons ride. I've never done this ride.
Same.
I heard it makes you a little nauseous.
Oh no.
But I feel like we're both good with that. I feel like we're good with that.
I froed up.
Y'all not gonna believe it. I froed up.
We literally have our own room. We're VIP.
This is a studio apartment in LA.
Against the wall outside the vehicle and hold on to all loose articles. Take your seats in an orderly fashion and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle.
This is a lot of water. Universal just loves getting you wet on some rides.
Soaking wet. My hair is just a mess from this last one.
We love 3D and we love sprinkling a little. I thought that was water. I thought that was water. Wait, what? Wait, what?
What?
I won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
As long as you have a dime left.
You die!
Wait.
Not in the load of cookies!
Oh my god. I feel like we're just gonna get wet. Oh wait, we're gonna get wet. We're gonna get wet.
My plans for the last time!
You soiled your pants for the last time? Well, Zadie, I'm going to take you away.
Okay, so Simpsons ride was cute.
Yeah, it was amazing.
I understand why people like might get nauseous, but honestly, that was one of my favorite things that I've done in Universal here.
Yeah.
I'm glad I gave it a try because it was not on my list of things to really get done.
Right, we just had an extra few minutes laying around and we just decided to jump on.
You can see the water on the lens.
Oh my god, no.
They love water here at Universal. I'm supposed to do, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, you guys, that concludes another vlog here at Universal Studios.
Another one.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow, TikTok, Instagram, Patreon. What else do we have? I think that's everything.
That's it for now.
We have some super exciting vlogs coming up this month, so make sure you guys stick around. I cannot wait to take you guys to Avengers Campus with me. We're doing some very exciting things, some Instagram takeovers, so make sure you guys check it out. I can't wait to take you there. I have a very exciting vlog coming up at the end of May. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to tell you all about it. I can't wait for you to see it.
It's amazing.
He only knows because he lives with me. But thank you guys so much. Make sure you follow Ant. Make sure you follow me on everything. We have a giveaway from last week's vlog. Thank you so much. Bye!